Hi, good evening everyone. This is Labhyans and you're watching Labhyans YouTube channel. It is my off tomorrow, so that's why I'm very excited to go outside and make fun with my friend. And he is also ready going outside and having tea or cup of coffee or anything, whatever we will find out new thing. Then I would love to try it. You can see that Sambu is sitting. Uh, he is also ready to go outside, make fun with me. And you can see that is a stair where I used to make blog. I started video from there, and I reached at this stage. It's been 75 video I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can watch my video if you haven't watched. Look at the view of Bangalore from my roof, and look at that, how beautiful looking. All houses light is on, and so I am going to down. I am on roof, so let me going to outside. Let me close my door, and as well as tap, you know about very well about Bangalore. If you haven't closed the tap, then what will you face later? So I've already shared with you. So see you in down or at the tea shop. If you find anything, then I will show to you. Yes, I was decided there that what I have to eat or some want to eat. So really I took 5 minutes to think about it, that what I have to eat. So finally we decide that he will drink Coca-Cola or Sprite, anything chilled item stuff, or I would like to have like tea or like biscuit with tea or something else. I do not want to have any cold item because I am having cough or cold. So I would like to eat anything which is not chilled. And Sambu is had me, and you can look at that. I am making blog on open area, like or public places where lots of people, and really I'm doing work every day on it. Look at that, it is bike. It is very popular in Bangalore. You will find out everywhere. Just you have to recharge of that bike, and you can use it. But I haven't used this bike. If you know about more how to use that bike, you can comment on me or tell me on my comment box how to use that. And look at that view of Bangalore, and people are walking, taking evening walk or enjoying the moment. Look at that. Usually you will find out this bike like people who do parcel like Flipkart, Amazon or Zomato, Swiggy. These people use that kind of bike. Basically it as far as I know, it is like it is a rental base. You have to pay it. I think that is rental bike according to like where from where to where you are going, then they will charge. There is just some pin, how like 6-digit number, and you have to enter on the application, and then you can use it. As far as my knowledge, I am telling to you. If you know more about it, you can tell me. Look at that, I finally reached at the cross where I moving toward my room, and there are some hotels and a small kind of shop like bakery shop where you can pack cake or ice cream. You can see that, and I think construction work is being done. You can look at that road bridge looking very new, or like new chips, and like general store. And yeah, I was talking one day like vegetable store. If you watched my video, I was talking about that shop. Like look at that, it is how it is like very big store, vegetable store. And I am going to have drink tea. I finally reached. Finally I got tea, and Bhaiya is serving tea for us. After that we will have and enjoy it. Thank you, Bhaiya. Look at that, chai with biscuit, and Sambhu is there having chai, or I think he is already done with biscuit. And look at time, it's why my watch is not working, man? Yeah. Oh, it's switch off. So let me finish my tea, then I will back to you. After finishing my tea, just I come back from there, and sorry for that, I was not aware that my watch is not on or not charged. Actually what happened, yesterday got over, and I could not charge watch and just wear it and go to shop. I was trying to show you, but I could not. And actually, by the way, he was that bhaiya, he was serving tea us. He was also from Bihar, and he offered to us that he give me like 10 rupees discount. He was telling, okay, you are also from Bihar, so that's why I'm giving to you discount only for you. So really good to know about it, that he really tell like that you are from Bihar, that's why I'm giving to you. You are my own state where I belong, you also belong from there, that's why I'm giving to you discount. And thank you so much watching my videos so far. If you are beginner, if you learning English and haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and do support me. And when you subscribe, then you give me motivational to make a more video like that. And you have seen how we spend our time at evening time. Whenever we have off, we actually go outside and have fun, enjoy, then come back. I will sleep, do rest, enjoy tomorrow, because it's off, and getting more time to improve myself, to learn English and practice more. And thank you, see you in next vlog. Enjoy yourself and be happy. See you in next vlog. Bye.